stayed at a truck stop, Love's, last night. I slept great when I finally did go to sleep, but I stayed up quite late because I didn't feel that safe there for some reason. It was closer to a bigger city, and I tried to avoid that. And I had to park around back, which I don't like that either. I'd prefer to be kind of in the front where all the action is, so that there's just a lot of people around all the time. It feels a little safer. I ended up watching a little Naked and Afraid. There's some deal going on with the turnpike where they are not allowed to have showers. I walked in there with my bag. I looked pretty rough, and I walked in like really wanting a shower, but no luck. That's okay. I mean, things happen. Yeah, I'm like 15 minutes away from the stop I want to make. It's a sunflower farm. Maybe I'll just get close to that, find a place to park, and block up the windows in my van and try to get a shower. My type of shower. Take a regular shower would be very nice. Today's a leg day, so I did work out last night because I didn't in the morning. I usually do 3 sets, 12 reps of 3 different exercises for each body part, and so I just did multiple sets of push-ups. That's all I did, is push-ups for my chest, because it was chest and abs. And then I did leg lifts, just multiple sets of leg lifts. I feel a little uncomfortable right now. It's 2 days without a shower, and this morning I didn't even clean up. I'm still in my pajamas. But I really want to check this place out. Looks beautiful.
I'm on break for about another 7 minutes. So if you're not a few minutes,
I do.
My best friend encouraged me to go check it out in my pajamas. And they're all facing the sun. I just learned that recently, that the sunflowers face the sun. And then if you turned around and look, there's the sun. Wrapped around the sunflower. I don't know if those are morning glories. There's a few in there wrapped around right there. Pretty. I'm headed off to find a truck stop, take a shower, get gas, and definitely wash my windshield. And then this happened. So a couple of days ago, my solar light was dead, and so I stuck it on my windshield to charge it. I forgot all about it. I honestly didn't remember putting it out on my windshield, but I did. Never noticed it. So I've been driving around for 2 days with this solar light on my windshield, and anyway, it should be very charged now. had a late lunch. I've been here before and I really liked it, so I decided to make this stop again. And I think it would be good for my legs because today is a leg day. So here we go. I will be climbing those stairs up that mound. Monk's Mound.
How you doing?
Hi. See, that's not it. There's more. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can run up this thing. Like Rocky. Alright. You can see the arch, St. Louis. Maybe I'll do it 2 more times. I love this. My van. This reminds me of the 9/11 stair climb. I used to do it every year, and then when COVID hit, we were basically on our own. We had to find stairs and do the stair climb on our own, which I did. And then the last year, I think, last year or two, I have not participated. So this is a reminder that I want to get back on track with that. It's a very good fundraiser for a good cause. I'm not the only one running the stairs. The guy in the blue up there, he's also doing it. He's in much better shape, I would say. But not bad. I'm doing okay. I think I'm in better shape today than I was last time I came here. Okay, I think that was 96. Okay, so done with going up and down 5 times and felt great. Pretty good little workout, I guess. I did count the second time going down those second set of stairs, and I have no idea, 60 something, 62, but first time I counted it was, I think, 58. So obviously I'm not very good at counting steps. Good thing I have my little step meter. I think I'll probably drive for a couple more hours. I think I'll just see what else I have on my list, and then I'll find a place to stay for the night. The museum is closed. Sounds about right. That was good.
The Monk Mound was great. My legs are very quivery and shaky, and I'm very glad I'm not driving a standard. But I sure love exercise. I love getting my heart rate up. I love sweating a little bit. I love, feeling it in my legs and, working my lungs. It's amazing. And, I'm really starting to realize that in order for me to be happy, I have to do that. I have to push myself a little bit physically in order to feel good and be happy. I mean, I'm happy all the time, but I know there's definitely a boost in my mood when I exercise. And of course they say that all the time, the endorphins and how much better you feel when you work out and exercise. And I'm a testament to that. And I feel that way too after I go for a hike, and after I work out at home. When I get a good workout, I always feel so good, just happy. So I hope I can do some type of physical activity and exercise and for the rest of my life, because I will definitely be a much happier, better person as long as I can stay physical, stay active. There's nothing better. There's nothing better than that.